Hey folks, if you're using Ruby-based web applications, listen up. A new set of vulnerabilities in the RAC Ruby web server interface could expose your sensitive data to cybercriminals. Impress IT Solutions in West Houston is stepping up to help businesses secure their environments before these flaws get weaponized. So, what's the deal with these RAC static vulnerabilities? 3 key issues have been disclosed. CVE 2025-27610. A path traversal flaw that lets attackers read arbitrary files on your system. CVE 2025-27111. A log manipulation flaw allowing attackers to tamper with logs and hide their activity. CVE 2025-25184. Another log-related vulnerability for injecting malicious data into log files. Together, these flaws can enable attackers to access restricted data, erase evidence, and prepare for further compromise. Now, CVE 2025-27610 is especially dangerous. Why? Because it arises from the way RAC static handles file paths. If improperly configured, attackers can use path traversal to access files outside the intended directory. That means database credentials, environment variables, configuration files, and private logs or source code could be exposed. Impress IT Solutions is already working with clients in West Houston to identify and fix vulnerable deployments. Here's how we're helping code and configuration audits. Patch management file, access and directory hardening log, file protection, custom app support. But what if you can't patch immediately? No worries, here's what you can do. Disable RAC, static temporarily, or replace it with a hardened static file handler. Explicitly define the root directory to a public-only path. Use a web application firewall, WAF, to detect and block suspicious path traversal attempts. Monitor logs closely for any unusual access attempts or unauthorized file reads. Stay safe out there, and make sure your systems are locked down. If you need help, Impress IT Solutions has your back. Thanks for watching.